If your Philips Google TV's remote has stopped working, became laggy or unresponsive, the Bluetooth doesn't work, it won't pair, and only the infrared works, or it doesn't function at all, then here's some easy and very effective solutions to fix your Philips Smart TV's remote issues. Before getting into the troubleshooting, first make sure that the TV's infrared receiver and your remote's IR emitter is not blocked by something. After that, you can also try cold booting your TV and also power cycle your remote. For that, you'll just need to unplug your TV from power and take out your remote's batteries. Now wait for around 5 minutes before you turn them back on. Now see if the remote functions. In your case, if some buttons of your remote doesn't work, then this can happen if your remote has unpaired itself. So to repair your remote, we are going to use the infrared to go to all settings. Then we will need to go down to remotes and accessories. And as you can see, in your case, Bluetooth was turned on to begin with. So let's turn it on. Now if your remote is already paired, but it won't connect anymore, then forget the remote first. And after that, go to pair accessory. Now bring your remote into pairing mode. To do that, just hold down the back and home button together while pointing it at your TV and keep holding it. After that, you will see the blue blinking light, and now you can connect your remote by pressing the OK button. Now your remote will start working normally. But in your case, if even the infrared doesn't work or you're unable to put your remote into pairing mode, then this can happen because of low battery. So try changing to a fresh pair of batteries and give it another try. If the problem persists, then you can check if the remote is actually working properly. And to do that, just grab your smartphone, open its camera, point your remote at the camera, and then press all the buttons one by one. You should see the infrared light flashing. If you don't see the light at all, or when pressing some specific buttons, then the remote may need some internal cleaning or servicing. On the other hand, if your remote is sending signal but your Philips TV is not responding, then this can be a more complex issue, and in that case, you can either get in touch with Philips support and get your remote repaired, or you can simply watch this video where we show you how you can use your smartphone as the best alternative to your Philips Google TV remote. And this is how you fix your Philips Smart TV remote that's not working. Let us know your feedback down below, drop a like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.